So day 2 at State Forest State Park. We're way out as far as you can get in the park.
Uncivilized roads.
Uncivilized roads. Correct. So, you guys need to see this. This is something else. So this is, I think this is the Never Summers?
Yes.
Never Summer Mountains. This is the campground. A lot of people bring their horses out here and camp. We got a group getting ready to leave on, looks like an overnighter or two. So we're gonna only do a few miles today. At 9 miles yesterday pretty much whacked us out. But gonna go down here a couple miles and turn around and come back. So we've run into a native resident here. I can't tell if he's in the frame. Should be. Don't know what kind it is, but some little kind of snake.
Ribbon/garter.
Ribbon/garter, huh?
Yeah, that's a broad category. Definitely not venomous.
Got a red tongue.
Yeah. See that nice little patch behind its head, sort of like where the ears are? That might be an identifier. But we talked about bringing the reptile book, and of course we didn't.
We talked about bringing a lot of books.
Yeah.
Is he gonna make it up that?
Probably. That's why we zip the tent.
Yeah, you know it.
We don't zip it at ground level.
Oh man, look at him go. Okay. We think we're coming to some kind of summit here. If it is a summit, we're turning around. As you can hear, we're going straight up. I don't want to have to come back up the other side. So, yeah, so we could have a beautiful view. And yes, it does keep going. But I think we're turning around anyway. Big bird just flew over. Looks like a raven. So there's the Never Summer Mountains again. And snowmobile trail when there's snow. I'm gonna go down this cow path a little bit. See the other side of this mountain. Yeah, it doesn't look pretty because they've been logging up here. Still nice. I don't know if you can see the snow on the mountains still over there. I don't know what mountains those are. And there's some more. August 6th, and there's still snow on the mountains. Pretty cool. I don't have anything to say, I'm just videoing. So we got to 1.5 miles and got cell phone signal. So we checked the videos from our cat sitter. He sends us a video every time he goes by the apartment. And we decided to turn around and go back to the car instead of going another 1/2 mile and then turning around going back to the car. So we're almost back to that summit, and here come all the people on the horses. So, yeah, there you go. We're gonna move over here and I'm gonna stop videoing. Okay, so Wendy's going down to soak her neckerchief in this little stream that's running through here. And we have to go up this road and up this hill to up there where you see that fence. So it's the last little slog. Don't know if you can see it. There's a little, we're calling them mantles. We're not quite sure what the little rodent is in the road. It's running right at me. There he goes. I think that one's a chipmunk. So anyway, we're about to head up this hill.